US crude has shown a very good swing where it has seen the highs at 72.4 levels, as we discussed in our both the analysis, that there is a good resistance. It is slightly overbought, but at the same time one important point to note is a good recovery after dropping at 70, which was a very good support. It has recovered completely. But most importantly, net gas, once again a beautiful day where we had seen that net gas was very overbought and it has to drop, and it has dropped till towards 2.55 levels. Very good support levels exist at 2.55. We had discussed this several times. I hope you all profited there. Now what to expect today, which position you should take trading crude oil and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Next update will be released before the US session. To watch that also. Let's start. First we look at US crude followed with net gas. To watch till the end. Also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the movement for oil. See, higher lows, higher highs were seen there. This was the breach of the channel. Now it is almost striking to the bottom of this channel and willing to enter into it. It has not yet entered. We had also discussed that the prices were trading with divergence from the moving average. Now it is almost come down and in fact dropped below the 100 period moving average on the RD charts. And if you look at the complete formation after forming the bottom here, rise, retracement, again rise. So now it is trying to retrace on the ups. However, one point to note here is C72.4 levels and 69.8 levels. This is almost now placed at the resistance level at 71.5, 71.6. Hence, if you see it trading above 71.6, you can again buy and then expect 72 as the maximum resistance. Staying above 72, that should be treated as a reversal here. That is the first point to note. Second point on the downside, see 70.8 levels we have been tracking. We had discussed yesterday also that below 70.8 levels there should be little bearishness, and now again 70.8 levels are going to be a very good support. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence. This is the third or fourth cross on the hourly charts. RSI almost trading flat, and on the 2-hour likewise on the 2-hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, rise. And see, this time previously it was showing lower highs and it has now breached the upper limit here, and hence I will wait for it to stay above 71.6 levels. Beyond that, 72 is the level I will wait for. If it breaks past 72, then only I will confirm, or we can say that it is reversing here. Hence above 72 definitely more bullishness can be expected. Stochastic rising there, MACD willing to cross over. It is not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat here. On the 3-hour charts also similar is the observation. However, one point to note, higher lows, higher highs, and yes, it has shown a reversal here with a double bottom and now trying to retrace. On the downside till 70.8, it has got very good support. Below that 70.5 and then only below 70.5 you can say that it is going to crash further. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD willing to converge crossover, though it has still got a little more downside. RSI almost trading flat. On the 4-hour, similar is the observation. Remember, a green candle, red, green. See, the bullishness here and here is different. It means bullishness is getting diminished with every candle. Above 71.6 you can buy, but then till 72 I will not treat this as a reversal here. We have to wait for 72 to be breached in order to sustain the momentum here. Also, if you look at on the downside below 70.8 levels, we can initiate a sell. However, till 70 we have to remain watchful. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is slightly bearish here. It has crossed over. It is still trading with slight bearish bias. After this long bullish move, now it is trying to retrace. RSI has dropped, trying to recover here. And on the daily charts, now see, on the daily charts, previous candle, higher highs are done, lower lows are also done, and we have seen a very good swing. Now see, it is still very much stationed between the 50 and 20 period moving average. Also, you can see the moving averages are trading bearish so far. All the three stacked up one below each other. Now see, I will wait for the next candle where if the 20 period moving average is breached and you see oil trading below 70.8, you can stay short there. Remember, till 70 very good support exists, and below that we may see it hitting 69.4, 69 levels. Stochastic has dropped here, it was slightly overbought. The MACD has crossed over here. This is the point which is indicating that it could continue with an upward move. However, look at this rise retracement. It can see the slope here and here are different. This is still trading sideways. RSI started to look upward. Also, if you look at the daily charts, you can see lower highs and flat bottom. It is still showing up for a squeeze here. Hence, for the day, you can buy at 71.6. However, till 72 should be very cautious alert. It can reverse any point of time. Hence, always put the stop loss at cost. On the downside, below 70.8 levels, you can initiate a sell. Expect it to drop for 70.5, very good support, and then 70 or 69.8 and then 69.4 levels can be seen. Below that, a further drop will make it further bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now see, we had discussed one point that the moving averages are trading with extreme divergence, and also the prices were divergent from the moving average, and that is why we can see the crash here, and beautifully the moving averages have crossed over, now trading with little divergence, little bearishness. Also, you can look at on the downside 2.5, 2.4 levels are very good support. Now remember, 2.62 levels is the level beyond which a little rise can be seen, and there could be a possibility of a retracement till towards 2.6, 2.65 zone. Very good resistance exists there, and from there we will see how it behaves. Right now it is willing to retrace. However, see the drop here, retracement is very small, and yes, a sell entry below 2.54 can be taken for 2.5 and below levels. Hence, a sell entry at 2.54 is confirmed, below which 2.5, 2.45 and 2.4 is the next target. Stochastic is retraced. MACD on the other hand is trading extremely bearish, trying to converge here. And if it crosses over, little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. It has seen a sharper dip here. Possibly it can try to trade sideways and then follow with a drop. This is one expectation which one can have. RSI is oversold, and on the 2-hour chart, same observation we had shared multiple times, that the prices are divergent, and we have seen extreme divergent. It should try to converge, and that is what we are seeing here. Now for now it is trying to retrace a little beyond 2.58. You can buy for 2.6. Very good resistance. 2.6, 2.6 to 2.65 levels. Till 2.65 it has got extremely good resistance on the upside. Even if it is bearish, it can try to retrace on the upside, and how far? Maybe 2.65, 2.66 zone, and then from there a drop cannot be denied. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. Let's see if it crosses over. RSI almost trading at bottom, and on the 3-hour charts also there is a slight reversal sign, higher highs, higher lows. Hence above 2.58 you can expect 2.6 levels as a, see, 2.58, 2.62 zone is a very good resistance, and beyond that we may see it hitting 2.65 and plus levels. Yes, even if it is bearish, it can try to retrace a little before looking forward to a drop here. The stochastic is oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. It has seen the candle size have flattened. It can try to converge here. RSI is also at bottom, and on the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts also slight reversal sign, getting a rejection on the upside. Wait for 2.58 to be breached, then 2.62, 2.6 zone is a very good resistance here. Beyond that, little more rise. Stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish here. See, it has still got lot much of room on the downside. What it can try to do, it can converge here for a bit and then continue with the downward momentum. RSI almost flat, and on the daily, now see on the daily charts what it is trying to do. Higher highs, higher lows, and a possibility of a retracement till towards 2.45 and 2.4 level exist here. Remember, one bearish candle and a breakout candle, we could see a second bearish candle here. And below 2.54, little more bearishness can take it till towards 2.5, 2.45 and below levels. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD was extremely divergent, now willing to converge a bit. RSI is looking downwards here. Considering this, see, first of all, there should be or there could be a little retracement beyond 2.58, 2.62 till 2.65. There is a very good chance of retracing till towards 2.65. However, that will also follow with a good chance of a drop again from those levels. That is the point you should keep a note of. Beyond 2.7 only, we can expect that it will try to rise more. Second point is, below 2.54, you can again stay short for 2.5, 2.4645 levels. and then below that further drop might take it till towards 2.4. Remember, 2.4 is an extremely good support which should not be breached, and only below 2.4 you can say that it will reverse and it is going to crash further. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. You can join my mentorship batch or signals channel, which is starting on 23rd of 3rd of July, that is the 23rd batch. You can join my mentorship batch where you learn the tools, techniques, and strategies in order to trade profitable. Also, you can be part of my signals channel in order to become a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.